Hey everybody, welcome to another sports card break with Matt. I went to my other Target that's in my area, guys, and got lucky. Once again, they had a couple of these wall hangers right there, so it wasn't the last one, but they were only limited to one, of course, and I went alone, so I couldn't get more than one. So here we go, guys. Going to open up another Heritage 2021 baseball, guys, and like I said, tomorrow there is no more baseball cards at Target, or football, basketball, whatever. Like, it's gotten that bad where people have been putting trackers on the vendors' cars, and fights have been breaking out, people harassing people. Like, seriously, like, most of your vendors in your area, guys, are local people, just like you are to that Target also, right? So those people deliver to those Targets. They also eventually shop there too, guys. And you got people harassing them and trying to follow them home and scope them out. It's like, it's gotten that crazy, guys. Here we are, we open stuff. We don't buy these and hoard them in our closet because these are only $9.99. If you paying more than $9.99 for this little box of cards right here, you're the dummy, not me, right? Because I go out and I get whatever I can at retail, guys. So I will not buy from a flipper. So if you want to stop the help the flipping, then stop buying from flippers like that, guys. I understand selling cards and stuff. I understand making just a little bit of money, you know, but seriously, to take something that's $9.99 and mark it up to like $40 and $50 and then be like plus $10 shipping, you lost your mind. So if you guys are making money off that, that's awesome for you, but it won't be off of my dime. You got it? So here we go, guys. Here's the pack. I kind of see something a little thick in there, but I doubt that that is anything actually, though. So it's kind of hard with these cellophane packs to see what you got. So here we go. Pack has been broken. And voila. So there we go. There's the stack. Let's see if we can pull any of those hot rookies for this set, guys. We got Adam Haseley, Jackie Bradley Jr., John Lester, Jacob Junis, Ronald Acuna Jr., and I just heard he got hurt, I believe. He just got hit in the pinky by a fastball or something, and people are making fun of this guy. So I'm going to tell you right now, guys, how I feel about that. Most of the people that make fun of any sport player that's actually playing the sport, 99.999999999%, you ain't even never played that sport before. You never even probably played in school where everybody's allowed to play, much more on a team where you got to make it, guys. So never make fun of players when they get hurt, man. That's kind of messed up that I'm seeing that. People are just downing Ronald Acuna Jr. like crazy. Like, yeah, he might have got hit by his pinky, but I mean, come on, guys. If you got hit by like a 98-mile fastball and it was your pinky, imagine when you're holding your bat, you know what I mean? And it hits your pinky against that bat, yeah, I'd like to see you not scream either, guys. So if you're making fun of that man for that right there, that's completely on you. Because guess what? You're going to stub your toe later tonight. So we got Martin Perez, CJ Cron, we got Pete Alonso, Nick Ahmed, Miguel Cabrera. We got a Boyhood Stars insert of Will Smith. We got Justin Upton. We got a Willie Mays World Cup Award. I got a couple of these already. It's just a picture of the award, basically. We got Marco Gonzalez, Kenley Hansen. We got D.V. Garcia, Ian Anderson, and Christian Javier Rookie Stars cards. So that's like our first, like, rookie that we got. There's not many in these little hangers. I see that. Boyhood Stars of Matt Olson. Got Lance McCullers Jr. Carlton Records 24th win of campaign. Patrick Corbin. Jackie Bradley Jr. Luke Voigt, Jose Abreu, Jose Ramirez, and Mike Trout. I have that card already. And there you go. A little Joe Adele rookie card right there. That's pretty cool. Stick that up here on the placard. I like Joe Adele's game. He's fresh. We got Nelson Cruz, Most Valuable Player Award pitcher. I don't think I have that one yet. We got Charlie Morton, Austin Riley, Yuli Gurriel. We got Zach Eflin, Joey Votto, Carlos Santana, Jake Odorizzi. We got Mike Trout. That's a nice card right there. Check that out. Little Mike Trout. And we got Mark Malicon, and the last one is Tyler Naquin. So, man, that was a tough one, man. Like, I wasn't that excited throughout. That's probably the least exciting pack I've ever opened in my life, guys. That's crazy. So, real quick, I'm just going to check for any short prints real fast on the back right here, guys. It tells you basically because it'll be numbered 401 to 500. There we go. We got a 428 right there. Add that to the collection. Because I am missing a couple of those 400 numbers. I got every other card, guys. I probably got this set like 5 of them now, except for those short print 400 numbered cards, guys. So we did get lucky on that. Got the short print number 428. So we'll add that to my collection. I'm pretty sure I don't have that one right there. We got this rookie star card. That's a little warped. Don't know if you can see that out there or not, but yeah, the thing's pretty warped right there, but it's not the best one anyways. And then we got probably the best rookie right there is that Joe Adele in action. So that's pretty cool right there. I think this card's weird. It's like every time I pull this card, I see this right there, and instead of a glove, because, you know, you hardly see the hand, it just looks like a bug, like, crawled into the pack and got, like, squished in between the stats. Like, you know, like, say they were printing at night, and a moth came in and, like, landed on the scanner. It's like, every time I pull that card, that's what I always look for right here. Boom. It's like, you see it. It's a glove, obviously, once you really zoom in, but, I mean, it kind of looks like a moth or a fly, like, flew on the card and just got stuck. So, I just thought that was pretty weird. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Be sure to smash that like button down below for me, guys, and I will see you in the next video as soon as I can find some cards to open, because can't find them at Target anymore, and my Walmarts, they're not really known to carry cards, guys. If anything, they stopped, because I remember back in the day, I could just go and pick up a pack of Upper Deck and a pack of Tops, and they would just have all kinds of stuff to choose from, and now it's like whatever you got. So, hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you in the next video. Peace.